In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with GitHub. By the end, you'll have your workspace connected so you can link commits, branches, and pull requests directly to your tasks and keep your development workflow in one place. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to both ClickUp and GitHub and that you have the right permissions in your ClickUp workspace to install apps. Using a desktop browser is recommended because the integration settings are easier to find. Start by opening ClickUp and logging into the workspace where you want the integration enabled. If you're part of multiple workspaces, glance at the workspace switcher to confirm you're in the correct one. This ensures the integration is added exactly where your team works. Once you're in, look for the More menu. Depending on the current interface, this is usually in the left sidebar or near your workspace settings. If you don't see it immediately, click your profile avatar or settings icon. The More option often lives there. The goal is to access the area that lists all available integrations and apps for your workspace. Next, select Apps. This opens the app directory inside ClickUp. Here you can browse or search for GitHub. If the apps page looks limited or you don't see the option, you might be viewing space level settings instead of workspace level settings, or you may need elevated permissions. A quick refresh or switching to another workspace can also help if the UI didn't load fully. Now click on GitHub, you'll see an overview of what the integration can do, like attaching GitHub activity to tasks and automating status updates. Take a moment to review any notes about required permissions so you know what will be shared between the two platforms. When you're ready, click Connect. ClickUp will redirect you to GitHub's authorization page. If prompted, sign into GitHub, then choose the organization and repositories you want to grant access to. For security, consider granting access only to the repos your team uses with ClickUp. Authorize the connection to finish. After a successful authorization, you'll be taken back to ClickUp with the integration marked as connected. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page. That's it. You opened ClickUp and logged in, found the More menu, went into Apps, selected GitHub, and clicked Connect to authorize. As a pro tip, include task IDs in your commit messages or branch names so ClickUp can automatically link your work. You can update repository access anytime from your GitHub settings, and you can manage or disconnect the integration from the same apps area in ClickUp if needed.